Hello. Heading to the gym now. Only I won't be training today because, oh my god, my legs feel like such solid boulders. It is unreal. But I'm gonna do my mobility drill, maybe get on the cycling or rowing machine for a bit, and get at least 4K steps in before I sit down to record and edit. Oh, I'm also gonna get some sauna and loosen up and ease those muscles. So I decided to come out to the garden and walk here instead of inside on a treadmill to get some grounding in along with some sunlight on my body, because with the way my legs were feeling, I literally just wanted to get into bed. So instead, I pushed myself outside to do this instead, which was an amazing decision. And I went for sauna after. I pushed my body really hard doing the sauna. Oh my god, I was done. I was literally done. I just wanted to go upstairs, get a nice meal, and lie down and work or sit and work. I need to get me some coffee to get through the rest of the day. So I came up, ordered food from this amazing place called Rosa's Thai, and decided to watch a movie to relax a little before I sit down to work. So I fell asleep. Actually, intentionally fell asleep because my body was just like, my legs were hurting too much, and I was like, okay, my body really needs rest. And so I did. I went to sleep. I've woken up at 8 o'clock. I'm feeling so much better. Decided to come down and get some steps in because I think I'm still at 2,700. I'm not going to push myself too much. I watched for about like 20-30 minutes. I'm joined in by my best friend Yunus Khadri today for my walk. He had a phenomenal day at work and can't wait to tell me, but my brain hasn't fully woken up yet. So I'm like, let me do what I need to do, and then we'll do catch up. This place is just so pretty. This place looks so cool. Next dinner spot. Yes!
I've been waiting.
We'll go. It looks so cool.
It has awards, like actually, what's on and like this and that. The chef is like supposed to be really good.
I got back home from the walk, took a quick shower, and joined the class. This was a really good session as well. So it is currently 1:22 a.m. The course just got done. I'm about to crash. My legs definitely felt better after the nap. My whole body felt better. So I went out for a walk, and I've done 8,000 steps today, which is still great because the goal is between 8 and 10K, and I'm proud of myself for at least getting this in. I didn't think I'd do even like 3K steps today with the way I was feeling, but we did it. I've drank almost 3 liters of water. I have this much left. I'll drink it before I sleep. So I guess 3 liters of water as well. I've done about 50-60 grams of protein today. I'm contemplating whether I should drink my protein shake and go to sleep. Probably will. Work-wise, I didn't do anything today. I wanted to edit, but I just... rest is so important. So I was like, this is the whole reason we're doing this anyway. So we can rest when we need to rest, and it's not like I haven't done anything. I did study last night, and I studied tonight as well. Learned something new. I did get 14 pages of non-fiction in. I'm gonna wait for this course to get done and then start meditating as well. I like meditating in the mornings. The rest of the day, I feel a bit restless. I mean, I still can, but you just get busy with activities. I'm also in the process of sorting my visa situation out. I'll have clarity on where everything stands by the end of this week. Hopefully, by Sunday, I have sent in my new visa for processing. I have 4 videos edited and ready, long form, and about at least 20 short form videos ready. I got this, I got this, I got this. We will wake up well rested and fresh tomorrow and edit. Alright, love you guys.